Hi guys, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Tuesday afternoon. We're going to Vietnamese restaurant here in Clark, Angeles, Pampanga, or they call it Walking Street. And later we're gonna walk with Sir Leon. Let's go.
Mobile clinic. It's okay, I take video.
Sorry?
It's okay if you in my video.
It's okay.
Not problem.
I
Thank
like your
you.
videos. You're doing a very good job. I like to see the action.
Thank you very much for watching.
Very good. I saw your last video. I commented to your girlfriend that you wasn't wearing a mask, and I said, that's good.
Yeah, I remember. Yes,
Finally.
yes. She also said to me.
There should be a public service announcement. No more masks allowed in the Philippines, right? Yes.
I think she hide because she have problem with teeth before. Now she already fixed.
Beautiful teeth.
Yes, yes. What's why she use face mask?
Oh, is that right?
Yes.
Oh, no.
So now it's okay. Okay, thank you for watching. Nice
I
day.
enjoy very much.
Thank you.
Great day.
So we're going to Vietnamese restaurant. Georgi already been in this restaurant. He said he drink coffee. But he said he don't like this coffee. That's why I want to test soup for Bo. Same or not? Pho, yes, and it's popular Vietnamese soup. This time for 35. This is Skyfall Bar. This is restaurant. Spice Viet, name of restaurant. Yes. This is Pho Bo, beef noodle soup. So we can try Pho Bo. Good afternoon. We want to try.
Yeah, good.
Okay, Shara, let's go
Your
inside.
first time with us? Well, we have a rule. If you don't like our food, you don't have to pay.
Yes, I know. But my friend been already. He said order coffee and different taste coffee, he said.
Okay, have a seat.
Wait,
please.
wait. Okay, thank you. Shara, you can sit maybe here. Yeah. Pho Bo. Okay, Pho Bo.
For you?
No, for me Pho Bo and for you Pho Bo. I don't know, like, because I don't know what it's another spicy maybe.
That's noodle soup only.
Yes, Pho Bo it's noodle soup. Pho Bo. Not together.
Beef.
Yes. Beef
Dalawang
noodle.
order ng Pobo beef noodle soup po. Regular lang.
Regular, no spicy. No spicy. Okay.
Dalawang Pobo.
We can drink. Oh, we can eat only soup here and drink another place. This is Vietnamese restaurant in front of Viking Bar. This is Viking Bar, and next door to Sky Falls Bar. Also have tapsilok, chick silok, what is spam silok, hot silok. So many silok have. Okay, you can start it. But you said already tried before?
Yes. You remember I bought a SM? Same, I put this one. With lemon, with sprouts and leaves, little bit. Good.
No, you tried how? Same or not?
Same bulalo. This bulalo. Same, I eat in SM. Good. I like.
So you like this soup?
Yes, I like.
Same Filipino bulalo soup or different little bit?
It's different. So the boss of Vietnamese restaurant give us a
Yes, it's he give for us for free. It's also this beef. What they say it is beef?
vegetables.
Vegetable and inside meat. Yes, we will try. You can try Shara right now with soup. You can take.
Vietnamese restaurant here in Walking Street. It's so good and I like it. Maybe if you're going always here in Walking Street, I will gonna get only this one soup because it's good and for the money or the value of that meal, it's good for one person already. Or maybe it's for two person, it's good also. It's good. I like it. To the owner of this Vietnamese restaurant, it's good and thank you for that bread or that sandwich you give to us. Thank you.
Yes, guys, this restaurant also have in the Nea Tiger Hotel. So this branch in Walking Street and another have in the Tiger, Nea Tiger Hotel, Malabani. Yes. Yes, we going to. Thank you very much. Thank you. Shara, we can walk to another branch of this restaurant and show to our subscribers where this location. $5.25 now. club start. Maybe soon, say soon open. Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you.
All right. I support your country.
Thank you very much.
All right. Take care.
This is lottery, lotto. Shara, but you know how to play?
Yeah. It's 6 number.
Okay, you can explain later in another video, okay? Vietnamese beef pho, Spice Viet restaurant. Same menu. Yes, Georgi. Yes. Yes, Novisi Georgi here. We already been in the another branch on this restaurant. But you say you want to eat today Thai foods
Yes, we go in Thai restaurant in 25 minutes.
after 25 minutes.
Yes, 6 p.m.
But we already full. No, really good foba. We tried before foba. Yes.
Try there.
Yes, on the walking street foba.
Oh, it's good.
199.
For you. I like. They separate the vegetables and it's good. I like their combo.
So it's same restaurant, only different branch.
Same, but the coffee is different.
Different taste coffee. I already say to Ona, different taste. Maybe he not here. This is coffee you like.
Spicy nut.
Okay, Shara, thank you for watching, need to say.
For watching guys. Salamat.